2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Honda Grom. In the landscape of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 Honda Grom stands out as a pint-sized powerhouse, offering a unique and thrilling entry point into the world of motorcycling. Renowned for its compact dimensions, playful demeanor, and approachable performance, the Grom has carved a niche for itself as the go-to choice for riders taking their initial strides into two-wheeled adventures. 1. Compact and lightweight design. The Honda Grom's standout feature is its diminutive size. With a compact frame and a low seat height, the Grom is unintimidating and easily approachable for riders of all sizes. Weighing in at a feather-light figure, it promotes confidence and control for beginners, making it an ideal choice for those getting acclimated to the dynamics of motorcycle riding. 2. Fun and nimble performance. Despite its small stature, the Honda Grom packs a punch in the fun department. Powered by a peppy 125 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, the Grom delivers lively and manageable performance. The lightweight nature of the bike ensures nimble handling, allowing riders to effortlessly maneuver through city streets or tackle tight corners with ease. The Grom's playful spirit encourages riders to explore the joy of riding in a dynamic and engaging manner. 3. User-friendly features. The Grom is designed with beginners in mind, incorporating user-friendly features that enhance the overall riding experience. The uncomplicated controls, easy-to-read instrument panel, and a forgiving clutch make it an excellent learning platform for those new to motorcycling. The Grom's simplicity ensures that novice riders can focus on enjoying the ride without feeling overwhelmed by unnecessary complexities. 4. Fuel efficiency and affordability. Perfectly aligned with the needs of beginners, the Honda Grom boasts impressive fuel efficiency. Its economical fuel consumption allows riders to cover substantial distances on a single tank, making it an excellent choice for both daily commuting and weekend escapades. Additionally, the Grom's affordability, both in terms of purchase price and maintenance costs, positions it as a practical option for riders mindful of their budget. 5. Customization potential. The Grom's popularity extends beyond its stock configuration, as riders embrace the opportunity to customize and personalize their bikes. The aftermarket for Grom accessories and modifications is vibrant, allowing riders to add their unique touch to the bike. Whether it's custom paint jobs, upgraded exhaust systems, or unique handlebars, the Grom encourages a sense of individuality and creativity among its riders. Conclusion. In the realm of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 Honda Grom shines as a unique and spirited option. Its compact design, lively performance, user-friendly features, fuel efficiency, and customization potential make it an ideal choice for riders entering the exciting world of motorcycling. Whether you're navigating urban landscapes, hitting the back roads, or simply enjoying the thrill of riding, the Grom provides an unmatched combination of fun and accessibility.